Welcome to Solea. Ito po si Margie. Yan. This is in Curtis North, ano?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ilang buwan na to? Ilang taon na?
It's been open for like 3 months.
Wow, okay. 3 months po.
Yes.
3 months po open, ha? And it looks grand.
Yes.
It looks bigger than the Soler in Paranaque.
Yes, sir. That's correct.
Wow. Ilan po ang slot machines dito?
We have like 10,000 slot machines, sir.
10,000?
Yes.
Wow,
We have
biggest
a
to
lot.
sa Philippines.
Yes, probably, sir.
Oh, wow. Actually, this is even bigger than in the United States.
Wow.
Because sa United States, mga 5,000 slot machine lang per casino. Big na yun, ha? But this is way bigger. Okay.
Way bigger.
Thank you. And ano bang mga amenities dito? Mga ilang restaurants kaya?
We have 14 outlets.
14 outlets na
Restaurants, sir.
brand name.
Yes.
And okay, mga luxury bags and ano na. Tapos sa mga restaurants, marami. Mga ilan?
Yes, we have international cuisine, Chinese cuisine,
Okay.
buffet.
Wow.
Yes, we don't have Korean, Chinese, Filipino. What else? International buffet.
International. Okay. In terms of sleeping and accommodation, meron kayong hotel.
Yes, we do have.
Ilang rooms?
We have 526 rooms to
Wow,
offer.
526 rooms.
Yes.
Talaga, ang dami.
Yes,
Ang dami.
sir.
Okay,
We are the first integrated hotel here in Quezon City, sir.
it kind of look like that.
Yes, sir. That's
Okay.
correct.
And it look like it's master planned yung community, no? Meron tayong Ayala and then Cedar Hotel sa katabi, Landmark doon sa kabila.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We were surrounded by good buildings.
Ganda, maganda. This is very nice.
And this is the main, our main attraction. We call this mangrove. It is inspired by mangrove.
Sino architect natin dyan?
It was created by Mr. Nicholas Weinstein. He is based
Nicholas Weinstein?
Weinstein. He is a US
US based?
based.
Okay.
Yes.
Ala ko, Kubonque. Kenneth Kubonque.
Ay.
Parang Kubonque. Pero ano to? Masterpiece to. This is a grand
Actually, this is the tallest glass structure. in
glass
the whole
structure.
world.
Wow!
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Pa-close up po mamaya yun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you for the overview.
Yeah,
And
no
it's a nice
pleasure.
overview and you're a great host. Yes.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you, Margie. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks. So, ito po ang world's biggest glass structure in the world.